Down in Jamaica they've got lots of pretty women. Steal your money, then they break your heart. Lonesome Sue, she's in love with old Sam. Takes him from the fire to the frying pan. On and on, she just keeps on trying. And she smiles when she feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. Poor old Jimmy sits out in the moonlight. He saw his woman kiss another man. So he takes a lighter, steals the stars from the sky, puts on Sinatra and starts to cry. On and on, he just keeps on trying. And he smiles when he feels like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. Well, now the first time was the last time to make you feel so bad. But if you know it, show it. Hold on tight, don't let her say goodnight. Got the sun on my shoulders and my toes in the sand. My woman's left me for some other man. Oh, but I don't care, I just dream and stay tan. Toss up my heart and then I see where it lands. On and on, I just keep on trying. And I smile when I feel like dying. On and on, on and on, on and on. Trying, and I smile when I feel like crying. On and on, on and on, on and on. On and on, and on and on. I keep on smiling.
On and on, lagu aslinya dibawakan oleh Stephen Bishop. Tapi yang baru kita nikmati tadi adalah alunan vokal Jonathan Caron. Dia ini kelahiran Amerika Serikat dan banyak menghabiskan waktunya, masa kecilnya dengan kakek dan neneknya, dan ia pun banyak diperkenalkan dengan kegiatan seni, terutama dari sang ibu. Nah, ini katanya loh ya, sejak kecil Jonathan Caron ini sudah pintar bernyanyi, bahkan sang ibu mengaku bahwa kemampuan bernyanyinya sudah muncul sejak usia 8 bulan. Kira-kira lagu apa ya? Dinyanyikan bayi 8 bulan. Itu tadi Jonathan Caron. Dan Sobat Maestro, masih Hendar Waskito bersama Anda di Maestro After Hour Jazz yang bisa Anda nikmati di 92,5 Maestro FM atau di live streaming kami di www Maestro Radio Bandung. Kita nikmati saja sajian berikut dari sebuah kuartet, kali ini Derek Nash Quartet. Akustik quartet yang akan memainkan satu lagu berjudul Haunting Me. Itu tadi lagu yang berjudul Haunting Me kami hadirkan di Maestro After Hour Jazz oleh Derek Ness Acoustic Quartet tadi. Derek Ness seorang band leader, komposer, arranger dan juga produser asal Inggris. Dia sudah pernah memimpin 6 band yang masing-masing punya warna musik tersendiri. Dan dia pun pernah bekerja sama dengan Chaka Khan, David Sanborn, Nile Rodgers, Annie Lennox dan banyak lagi. Kita akan lanjutkan kali ini duet yang menarik dari Holly Cole dan Wycliffe Garden. Bahkan I Could Write a Book.
If they asked me, I could write a book about the way you walk and whisper and look. I could write a preface on how we met, so the world would never ever forget.
Oh yes, and the simple secret of the plot is just to tell them that I love you a lot. And the world discovers as my book ends how to make two lovers a friend.
Satu jazz standard dari Cole Porter, Night and Day. Kita nikmati tadi lewat permainan gitar dari musisi asal Inggris Gary Smith yang sudah merilis album lebih dari 20 dalam bentuk solo, grup atau live recording. Sobat Maestro, dari gitaris Gary Smith kita akan ke penyanyi yang juga punya suara khas, Stacey Kent. Dia ini berkebahasa Amerika tapi banyak lagu-lagunya yang berbahasa Perancis dan untuk itu dia mendapatkan gelar Order of the Arts of Letters dari Kementerian Kebudayaan Perancis di tahun 2009 yang lalu. Kita akan nikmati suara dari Stacey Kent ini, satu lagu dari album The Changing Light. Kita nikmati The Face I Love, Stacey Kent.
Just think of things like daffodils and peaceful sheep on clovered hills, the morning song of whippoorwills. Then you'll see the face that I love. Think of any old sky getting ready to cry. Down comes the rain, but it's raining confetti. Then think of things like far-off isles and blue-green eyes and sunlit smiles, and in your hand a wishing star, the one you thought too far above. Every lovely view introduces you to the face I love. Just think of things like daffodils and peaceful sheep on clovered hills, the morning song of whippoorwills, and you'll see the face that I love. Think of any old sky getting ready to cry. Down comes the rain, but it's raining confetti. And think of things like far-off isles, blue-green eyes and sunlit smiles, and in your hand a wishing star, the one you thought too far above. Every lovely view introduces you to the face I love.
Stacey Ken dengan suara khasnya tadi membawakan The Face I Love dari albumnya The Changing Light. Dan kita kembali Sobat Maestro ke Brazil kali ini. Seorang gitaris, penulis lagu, arranger dan music producer ternama dari Brazil, Mario Adnet. Nah, kali ini akan kita nikmati salah satu lagunya. Dan Mario Adnet ini sendiri, dia menjadi seorang pemusik profesional sejak tahun 1980. Dia saat ini usianya 66 tahun dan hampir seluruh keluarganya pemusik. Di tahun 2016, Mario Adnet masuk nominasi dalam ajang Latin Grammy Award atas albumnya yang berjudul Jobim Just Ao Vivo. Kita nikmati kali ini suara dari Mario Adnet dan permainan musiknya dalam satu karya terkenal dari Antonio Carlos Jobim Desafinado.
Quando eu vou cantar, você não deixa. E sempre vem a mesma queixa. Diz que eu desafino, que eu não sei cantar. Você tão bonita, mas tua beleza também pode se enganar. Se você disser que eu desafino amor, saiba que isso em mim provoca imensa dor. Só privilegiados têm ouvido igual ao seu. Eu possuo apenas o que Deus me deu. Se você insiste em classificar meu comportamento diante musical, eu mesmo mentindo devo argumentar que isso é bossa nova, isso é muito natural. O que você não sabe, nem sequer pressente, é que os desafinados também têm coração. Fotografei você na minha Rolleiflex, revelou-se a sua enorme ingratidão. Só não poderá falar assim do meu amor, que esse é o maior que você pode encontrar. Você com a sua música esqueceu o principal, que no peito dos desafinados, no fundo do peito bate calado, que no peito dos desafinados também bate um coração.
Maestro, After Hours Jazz, your favorite playlist.
Sebuah lagu jazz standar kembali kita nikmati tadi, How Deep is the Ocean dari Erik von Spreckelsen dan kawan-kawan. Erik von Spreckelsen ini seorang pianis asal Denmark dan juga dia berkarya untuk grup opera, menulis banyak lagu untuk big band dan dia banyak berkarir di Denmark dan Belgia. Itu tadi How Deep is the Ocean. Kami temui sobat-sobat maestro yang kebagian tugas jaga malam hari ini, mungkin di rumah sakit, para dokter, tenaga kesehatan, suster, perawat semua. Semoga terhibur dengan hadirnya Maestro After Our Jazz. Dan kita akan nikmati duet berikut, Tony Desare dan Jane Monheit, Bizarre Love Triangle.
Every time I think of you, I feel shot right through with a bolt of blue. It's no problem of mine, but it's a problem I find, living a life that I can't leave behind.
There's no sense in telling me the wisdom of the fool won't set me free, but there's a way that it goes, and it's what nobody knows. Every day my confusion grows.
Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray.
I'm waiting for that final moment. You say the words that I can't say.
Just like I never should. Whenever I get this way, I just don't know what to say. Why can't we be ourselves
like we were yesterday?
I'm not sure what this could mean.
I don't think you're what you see.
I do admit to myself
that if I hurt someone else,
then I will
never see just what we're meant to be.
Every time I see you falling, get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment. You say the words that I can't say.
Cada vez que penso em ti, como raio de tristeza que me atinge. O problema é seu, mas o problema me faz viver uma vida que ficou pra trás.
Não sei o que acontece, você não é o que parece. Espero que não mas joguei mais ninguém. Nosso amor nunca foi amor do bem. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment. Say the words that I can't say. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment. Say the words that I can't say. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment. You say the words that I can't say. Every time I see you falling.
Maestro After Hours Jazz.
Sebuah lagu yang cukup tenang kita nikmati dari pianis Greg Karukas tadi, I Dream of You. Dan memang tidak terasa waktu berjalan terus, kita sudah di penghujung Maestro After Hour Jazz untuk kali ini. Dan segera kami akhiri acara ini dengan satu sajian yang tidak asing buat kita semua, komposisi terkenal dari Stevie Wonder. Kita nikmati lewat Anthony Strong, My Sherry Amore.
Sherry Moore, lovely as a summer day. My Sherry Moore, distant as the Milky Way. My Sherry Moore, pretty little one that I adore. You're the only girl my heart beats for. I wish that you were mine. In a cafe, or sometimes on a crowded street, I've been near you, but you never noticed me. My Sherry Moore, won't you tell me how you could ignore that behind that little smile I wore? How I wish that you were mine. La 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 face among a crowd. Maybe someday I'll share your little distant cloud. Oh, Sherry Moore, pretty little one that I adore. You're the only one my heart beats for. How I wish that you were mine. La 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 la
Sobat Maestro, akhirnya kita sampai di akhir Maestro After Hour Jazz untuk malam hari ini. Semoga apa yang sudah kami sajikan membuat suasana lebih menyenangkan di tempat Anda terhibur, juga mungkin bisa melepaskan lelah Anda, menghilangkan lelah Anda. Kita akan jumpa kembali di Maestro After Hour Jazz, tentu di 92,5 Maestro FM di Bandung, atau live streaming kami di www.maestro Radio Bandung. Kami segera pamit dari ruangan Anda, dari Geraha Maestro, Jalan Kaca Piring 12 Bandung. Saya Hendra Roskito, ada Bung Stefanus, ada juga Bung Ricky Hans. Sekali lagi mengucapkan terima kasih untuk kebersamaan kita. Tetap bersukacita, Tuhan Yesus memberkati.
next time on Maestro After Hours Jazz. Don't forget to download Maestro Radio Bandung apps on your Android phone. And also you can follow Spotify Maestro Radio Bandung for After Hours Jazz program on demand.